Hello guys, welcome back to CADmake. In today's video we are going to design a twist drill bit in Solidworks. We will use some of the essential commands and features to bring the sketch into 3D design life. We will also customize appearance to give our design a professional look. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Take the circle command and draw 8 mm diameter circle here on the origin point. Click OK. Zoom it like this. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Boss command. Give the extrusion value as 100 mm. Click on Reverse. Click OK. Make it normal. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Click Convert Entities. Make it normal. Click Isometric. Now go to the features and click on Helix and Spiral. Select here Pitch and Revolution. Choose Constant Pitch. Give this pitch value as 77 mm. Click Reverse Direction. Give the value of Revolution 1. Give the starting angle 180 degrees. Choose Clockwise. Click OK. Now go to the sketch and take the 3D Sketch command. Click on this helix. In Sketch Tools, click on Convert Entities. Now go to the arc and click on Tangent Arc command. Click here and draw an arc like this. Click Exit. Now select this helix, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this arc. Make them tangent. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the circle command and draw 6.3 mm diameter circle here on this point. Click OK. Make it normal. Click Finish Sketch. Now go to the features and click on Swept Cut command. Sketch is already selected. Click here and select this helix as a path. Click OK. Select Cut Sweep 1 and take the Circular Pattern command. Give the number of pattern as 2, at the angle 360 degrees, with equal spacing. Click here and select this edge as a direction. Click OK. To hide the helix line, click on Hide All. Now click on Top Plane. Click Sketch. Zoom it like this. Take the Centerline command and draw a line here passing through the origin point. Click Exit. Take the Line command and draw a rough sketch like this. Click Exit. Take the Smart Dimension command. Select this line and this one. Give the angle 60 degrees. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Click Finish the sketch. Now click on Revolved Cut command. Click here and select this sketch. Click here and select this line as reference of revolution. Click OK. Make it normal. Now go to the appearance. Click Metal. Click on Steel. Choose the burnished steel. It looks perfect and amazing now. Go to the background scene and select plain white. It's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.